Hello everyone, this is Laurie Scarborough. I'm one of the owners and partners in the Door Store and Windows on Shelbyville Road, and we are at the 2019 Home Garden and Remodeling Show at the fairgrounds. You may think you know what we do, but we're actually window and door specialists, and we sell for replacement, but we also sell for new construction. If you're building a new home or remodeling, we've got windows and doors for you. We have the experts and the people to help you with those decisions. We would love to see you out here to talk to us about it. We've been in business for 21, almost 22 years, and we're really proud of our contribution to the home improvement community and to the BIA. If you're looking to build and you don't have a builder yet or don't know who to call, we have a whole list of very qualified builders who we've done business with for years, and we'd be happy to give you names to start making your contacts. So join us at the Home Garden Remodeling Show here on the fairgrounds.